I have this white labeled Goodman fan powered humidifier. It's the pass-through style. Here's the model number. And I had an issue where the humidifier was turning itself on because it sensed that the humidity had gotten low. The humidistat is located in the return duct, and after a few seconds of the humidifier running, the humidistat would sense that there was high enough humidity and it would cut off the humidifier. So it was short cycling. So what we did is we installed a electronic relay. These two yellow wires on the left come from the furnace. They're tied into a 24-volt circuit that when the blower motor in the furnace comes on, it provides power to those two yellow wires. And then here's the electronic relay. When the relay senses 24 volts from the furnace, it allows this connection for the humidifier wiring to complete the circuit for the humidifier to come on. And when the 24 volts is being supplied to the electronic relay, this green light comes on at the bottom of the relay. Here's the model that we're using. And it works pretty good.